how to fix the language bar is missing from your taskbar in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So first you want to right click on the start button, and then you want to open up the settings, and then you want to click on time and language in the settings, and then on the side you want to click on language, but in Windows 11 it's called typing. And then you want to click keyboard, but in Windows 11 you should find advanced keyboard settings button at the bottom. So it should bring up the same window, and then you want to click on language bar options right here. And it should open up this window right here. Now make sure to switch this to floating on desktop, and then make sure to check show additional language bar icons in the taskbar. And then make sure as well show text labels on the language bar is also checked, and then you can press on apply and OK. Now if you still don't see it appear on your taskbar, here's what you can do. You should go back to the same settings page, and then under preferred languages, if you have a single language, try to add another language real quick. For example, this one, press next and then press install. And after doing that, you should see that the language is basically appearing in your taskbar. You can also try to restart your computer if this still doesn't show up. And once you restart your system, this should basically be displayed on your taskbar. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.